Another thing we don't often discuss when we talk about asset protection planning is making sure that you've got a good idea of what you want for healthcare decisions and long-term care, and also end-of-life stuff. One of the things that can can really devastate someone financially is if they're extended hospital stays, extended long-term care stays. And one of the ways to avoid some of those issues is if you have something in writing saying how you want end-of-life decisions to be made for you. If you have the mindset that, when two doctors agree you're in a terminal condition and there's no reasonable medical probability that that's going to change, and no reasonable medical probability you're going to regain consciousness and be able to speak for yourself. How do you want decisions to be made? Are you the type that says, I don't want any extraordinary measures taken to keep me alive, I don't want feeding tubes and things like that, I just want to be in peace? If you want to get hospice involved and maybe give me morphine, that's one thing, but and if I can eat and drink on my own, that's great. We'll continue to do that, but at the point where I can't do those things, then I don't want certain measures taken. I just want to be kept comfortable. Other people have had some kind of incident, perhaps in their family or friends, where someone was in a coma and they never thought. Doctor said there's nothing they can do for this person, and they come back to life. So this person says, I'm never giving up. You keep me alive no matter what. You can have a document that says that. It's just important, however you feel, that you have that in writing. And it's really a blessing for the family because they're not wondering what you want. Some of these conversations are not the funnest to have with people, and we were just talking about this earlier today. Often 2 generations will be in here, and the parents don't want to talk to the kids about that stuff because they feel like they're going to make the kids feel awkward, and we don't want them to think about a day when they're not here. Meanwhile, the children don't want to talk about those things because it makes it sound like, I know mom and dad isn't going to be here one day, I want them to think about that. Yeah. But when you bridge that conversation actually occurs, both sides are happy, typically, because they know the conversation needs to happen.